We're here in Williamsburg, Brooklyn at the Pizza Museum.
We're ready to dive into the pizza experience.
Head first.
Whoa! Scotty, what's up, bro?
Great to see you guys.
Man. Only you can have a box collection like this.
This is 75 out of the 1,450 pizza boxes in my collection.
Where do you keep the rest of them?
In my closet. Let's just say I don't have much clothing.
How'd you start collecting pizza boxes?
Right around 2008, 2009, I just noticed ones that had a lot of color on them, so I started saving ones that I thought looked cool.
You know, it costs a lot of money to put more than 3 colors on a box.
All those full color ones are Italian. Wow.
I gotta be honest, you're missing one very important box.
Yeah, and that's this.
I don't know, you must have left it in the car.
Can you sign it for me?
Yeah, absolutely.
My collection finally will have value.
1963, pizza was a staple at a school lunch menu. I went to that school.
It's a pizza guitar.
It's a good idea for a pizza peel. Take the pizzas out of the oven with a peel that's shaped like a guitar. We got pizza pillows over here in case you get tired. Because this is like when Rocky was in the refrigerator, you know? Punching out the meat, you gotta punch out the cheese.
It's like a 1980s pizza room right here. The future is pizza, that's right. Because steak is too much money to buy. Where are we?
This is a Pizza Beach. Sal, you know this girl?
Looks like one of my ex. The fun house of pizza. Yo, why didn't somebody tell me my was so big?
Over here you got some psychedelic pictures of pizza.
Pepperoni dreams, baby.
Sal, this is making me really hungry.
The only way to watch a movie is with some pizza. Here, take a slice.
Thank you.
It's Uncle Tommy.
The perfect end to the Pizza Museum.
Cheers.
Cheers.